Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. So today it's Friday. Let's just go straight to NASDAQ 100 and US30. I hope maybe you're enjoying your Easter holidays. So here you can see that NASDAQ already broke this strong resistance here, then it shot up. So actually, if you missed any of this move, it means we're just waiting for a small pullback. Then we can say we can have another strong bullish momentum since we had the breakout from this area. So today I'm in a very noisy area, so don't mind that as long as you can hear the information that you want to need. So just avoid any unwanted noises. So stick to what I'm saying here. So we had this breakout, you can see that, or from that you can just see that we had a very nice support here which Nasdaq really respected. But here we also have had this resistance which Nasdaq was respecting until we had this breakout. So after this breakout, what can you do? Because the market just shot up, where can you buy or where can you sell? So for that, you have to wait for the market to say, let's say, let me go to an hour. On an hour time frame, you can see that this thing is still pushing higher. You can even try to draw your trends line, but I don't think they will make sense because this thing is in a very high momentum, a bullish momentum. So for us to say we buy, we need something like this. For the market to go down, then we can say we can buy. Even here, for us to buy, we just have to wait for the market to create something like that. So at the moment, actually, we're waiting for the market to create that higher high or higher low before we can say we're going to buy. So don't think maybe the market will just move like this the whole week or the whole day. The market will eventually pull back, go up, pull back, go up. You see? So I hope you understand that. So from that point, so at the moment we can't say we have any opportunity, but it's a good thing because the market is now pushing higher. You can see this was a resistant, not a very strong resistant, but you can see here the market was just playing around this area. Let me show you. You can see here the market played around this area. So we can say if maybe the market comes reach this point, we can say we can have a nice buy if the market bounce from this area. But if that doesn't happen, it means we can just say the market can drop up to this point and push higher from this area, because when we have this push, uh, obviously we have to have something like that before the market can say it will create the new highs. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. For Nasdaq, I don't think maybe we have enough opportunity for today, unless if maybe we can have that pullback. So when the market is like this, don't rush. Don't just say I want to buy, the market is going high. It will pull back on your then your account. You can even blow the account if you don't place your stop loss. Then the market can still push higher, you see. So let's go straight to NASDAQ 30, sorry, US 30. We can see what's really happening. Oh, still loading. I had a very nice Thursday. It was my birthday, so if you still want to join, the group is still open. Contact me on my contact on the description. So here we have Nasdaq and US30. They all going high, guys. So it's a good thing because when you have highs like this, you can still have rejections where we can have the nice where we can say we can buy or sell. So at the moment we are here on US30. So it means that on this area we can expect to buy a nice resistance. You can see that. Actually today, guys, I don't feel comfortable when I record on where there is a noisy, because sometimes you just listen to them, and you hear that they disturb you. So I just bought a nice microphone here, but I think it's giving me a problem. So I'll just, when I go back, I'll just do the connections and do everything, so that I can give you some quality audio material when I give you this. So that's why you should just like and share. I give you these things for free, so just make sure you like or subscribe. So you can also refer your friends to the channel. There's nothing wrong with that. So on US30, I already drawn my support, sorry, my resistance. I think you can see that. So what is our support at the moment, because this is a resistance. So let me go to a bit higher time frame. Let me just go to a 4 hour. I will just come back to an hour. So here you can see this is an area. This is an area where we can say it's a nice support. So I don't see these things as support, or you see some that those are very they are very weak. So you can see the market is creating moves like this, moves like that. So here it's just confusion. Then the market can still go lower like this. If maybe it breaks, we can say when it breaks, we wait for a rejection or a retest. Then we can say when it comes around this point, we can buy. You see that? But if that doesn't happen, it means if the market doesn't respect this support, we can say, or we wait for the market to break. When it retests, we sell. So for you to wait for a retest, it gives you in a very nice position. You don't rush things, just because some people, they can't even wait for the market, and waiting, actually you put yourself in a very safe, I'm not saying you're not going to lose, but you're putting yourself in a very safe position where you just wait, the market present itself, you, when it pushes higher, you just buy. Because actually it's very easy to analyze. Just see here, if maybe you were just doing your, if you were waiting, it means for you to eat, it's very easy. Look, just look at this here. It means, let me draw another one. Just want to show you if the power of waiting, or you can just call it patient. If you wait, you can really eat. So look here, the market was just bouncing around. I'm showing you this because everything has already passed this area. So you can see if maybe you have that patience, it means you can really eat. You see this structure, it means when you have, let me go to a smaller time frame so that you can see. I hope you hear me. I don't know if I did my setup clearly, because guys, I just give you this information, so I don't have much time to do the equipment like setting up the macro. I just plug everything and just do that. I don't edit the video. Everything that you see here, it's raw. So look at this. If you just waited for the market to present yourself itself to you, the market just give you anything, then you just eat. You see this? Look, obviously we do not take all these positions, but just imagine when you wait for the market, you don't rush the market when the market is here. You wait for the market to reach this point, to reach this point. You see how many opportunities is the power of patience. See, even if you lose, but if you still keep waiting and do your analysis nicely, it means one way or another you're going to make a lot of profit. You can lose sometimes, you can lose, but when you use the analysis like this, plus you wait for the market to reach these areas, then you're gonna eat. So I'm showing you this because I just want you to see this here. If you check somewhere here, at the moment we are here, so it means for you to eat, the market is here at the moment. So we can just wait for that rejection, then we can have a nice sell. But if you fight the market around these areas, it means you're going to have a problem. But If you get the market around these areas, it's where we eat. But you can still draw those trend lines, the inner trend lines around this area. You can see here we had this trend lines. They really make sense. You see this area, it's where the market is bouncing from this area. You see, so I hope maybe you understand whatever that I'm trying to show you here. So here we have this like consolidation. It means the market is going up and down. Remember, when the market is creating something like this, it's preparing for itself whether to shoot lower or higher when there's consolidation. So just because we don't control the price, it means there's something brewing around this area. Then we will see something like this. The market can go higher or lower. When you see something like this, don't just say the market is consolidating. There is a reason behind that, that maybe the market is trying to do something. It might be trying to create the lower, to go to the lower side or the higher side, but we at the moment we don't really know, so we can just wait for the market. So after that, let's see, maybe if we can say we can go to a smaller time frame. I hope my network, come on. Where I'm at, I just connected with my phone. So guys, it's time for you to subscribe while this thing is loading, right? I hope maybe you already subscribed by now. So let's see. So I think at the moment the market is very high, so you're supposed to wait, but wait for that opportunity to present itself. So let's say maybe you want to sell, just wait for the market. What I do every day when I want to sell, I will do something like this. I should have something like a breakout before I can say I'm going to sell. So let's see, does this thing make sense? Maybe let's say, let's do it like this. We can call this a zone, maybe. Yeah, it's a zone. So we can say the market, you can see the market was just rejecting on this support. So it means now it's our inner support, which is not very strong. So for us to sell, it means we have to break this area, retest. Sometimes it doesn't retest, but as long as the market can close lower, below our support, then we can say sometimes. But we can have this fake breakouts, but it doesn't happen that much. When the market breaks this and close, you can just wait for the second candle maybe, then the market can say, we can say the market is going to push lower. Sometimes, or most of the time, you can wait for a retest then before you sell. It's very safe that way. So I hope maybe you understood everything. Like, share. You can also comment. You can ask all the questions that you want, but which are related to trading or US30 and NASDAQ 100. Check my description, contact me, check if maybe you need free documents, WhatsApp me or Telegram me. You can get some information that that are very important. So thank you for watching. It's Friday. Have a very nice weekend. Bye.